Hi everyone, this is Nel Sembrano from Pinoy Millionaire Mind Club. Now, I'm going to share to you that you can actually learn and earn at the same time in the financial industry through IMG. I'll show you the membership benefit checklist. So, simulan natin. When I enrolled in IMG last June 12, 2012, na-amaze ako sa mga tinuturo nito. Kasi even dati pa, advocate na ako ng never stop learning kahit matanda ka na. So these are the three major benefits of being a member of IMG. Learning benefits, discount benefits, professional career and entrepreneurship benefits. So ano-ano bang matututunan natin sa IMG kapag nag-enroll tayo? So tingnan natin dito. This benefit is the reason why I enrolled in IMG as a member because I want to learn. These are the learning benefits. So first, ang alam lang natin, magpa-check up sa doktor kapag may sakit tayo. Na-try na ba nating ipa-check up din ang laman ng bulsa? So one of the learning benefit is to learn to do financial check-up on your own. Learn to know your priorities and set short-term and long-term goals to achieve. Second, in order to build a solid financial foundation na nai-discuss ko sa mga previous videos, we need to understand how each block of foundation works. We have workshops and workbook. Financial education workshops include the following: money management, cash flow, debt management, which is tinuturo yan sa workshop 1. So tapos ko na to, sobrang helpful siya. May workshop din na dinidiscuss ang concept ng financial products such as mutual funds, life insurance, and healthcare para mas maintindihan pa natin ng husto ano ba yung mga financial products. Kailangan nating maintindihan types ng mutual fund, insurance, and healthcare. Pati yung advantages and disadvantages din nito para alam natin ano ba yung suitable sa need natin. Ang retirement, wala yan sa age. But it would be better if we plan ahead of time. Dahil ang pera, di nauubos. Pero ang time, di pwedeng maibalik kapag lumipas na. So it's really important to understand retirement planning. Last but the most important topic is asset and preservation and wealth preservation. Because if you do not learn how to protect your assets, useless lahat ng pinaghirapan mo. Baka mapunta lang sa gobyerno o ibang tao. So dito pa lang sa mga topics na to, sulit na ako sa one-time, lifetime enrollment fee na ininvest ko sa IMG 4 years ago. Pero this is not only about learning. Dapat i-apply din natin kung ano man yung natututunan natin. Nang sinimulan ko na mag-invest, isa sa benefits of being a member of IMG is itong next slide. Discount benefits. Sabi nga ng mentor ko, financial knowledge without execution is wasted resources. Kaya kahit basahin mo lahat ng financial books, manood ka ng video tungkol sa investment, mag-attend ka ng sandamakmak na seminars, kung hindi mo naman i-apply, useless lahat yon. Ang maganda sa IMG, pag nag-enroll ka, may discount sa mga financial solution na gusto mong simulan, guided by the Financial Foundation. Isa sa benefits at ang pinakagusto ko is ito, zero sales load on mutual fund investment. So, meaning, kapag nag-open ka ng mutual fund or nag-additional investment ka, walang entry fee charge. Your money or whole money invested will go to your fund. So, ang saya, di ba? So, next is you have access sa long-term healthcare facility, as well as you will get discount when you get your own short-term healthcare for your regular healthcare needs. You will get a discount also on these financial products such as non-life insurance, car and property insurance, life insurance, house and lot or condominium units in major real estate companies, and asset preservation service. Later on, na-realize ko that I can also earn by sharing things that I learned from IMG to my friends and relatives. Meron palang professional career and entrepreneurship benefits si IMG. So, bonus na lang ito sa akin. Nag-start ako as part-time habang nag-work as an accountant sa umaga. Nagtuturo naman ako after office hours na mga 2 to 3 hours. So, isa-isahin natin ang mga benefits. So, if you want to recommend financial solutions to your friends and relatives, you can sign up as a partner of IMG and get accredited to major financial companies. On the next slide, I'll show you the major providers of IMG. So, habang ginagawa mo ang mission na IMG, which is to educate people, syempre, you'll get weekly income incentive from partner companies. So, meron ding regular monthly and yearly leadership bonus income. You can attend big events and convention, local and international. Through IMG, I had a chance to go to Hong Kong, Macau, Singapore, Thailand, and Malaysia. Ito yung tinatawag na business with pleasure. So if you have helped many people get financially educated, IMG will reward your hard work and promote you. IMG will give you free or subsidized office if you want to open a financial center in your province or your place. IMG will support you on that as long as na-achieve mo ang certain qualification. Free din ang national and international leadership training programs facilitated by sought-out speakers and master builders of IMG. At kapag out of country naman ang summit and convention, IMG may provide you free travel with qualification din. So, di ba, you can travel for free. And then, when you decide to go full-time doing the mission of IMG, like what I did 2 years ago, IMG may give you free personal health care coverage for leaders and executives. So, these are the benefits when you become a partner of IMG. So, included na rin ito sa one-time lifetime enrollment fee. These are the major providers of IMG. For each block of the Financial Foundation, here are the companies that we recommend. As a member of IMG, you have a direct access to all of these major companies. IMG is a financial school with a mission to educate people in building a solid financial foundation. We have a campaign to have 1 million financially educated families by year 2020. And sa tingin namin, magagawa namin to kung maintindihan ng bawat Pilipino kung bakit importante na mag-invest sa financial education in order to achieve financial freedom. Kasi, naniniwala kami na learning to invest is important because investing is the key to financial freedom. Through membership benefit program, maraming Pilipino ang may educate. Otherwise, 5 things happen to people who do not learn to invest. They work hard all their lives. Darating ang time na di naman natin kaya na magtrabaho, di ba? They worry about money all their lives. Money is not the most important thing in this world, but it affects the most important people sa buhay natin. They depend on others, such as family, a company pension, or the government or to take care of them. We are not sure about it. Depende sa willingness and capability nila. Mahirap din umasa sa ibang tao. The boundaries of their lives are defined by money. Naniniwala sila na kailangan nila ng pera para magkaroon sila ng pera. What you just need is to use your time smartly. They will not know what true freedom is. You will never know true freedom until you achieve financial freedom. Do you agree? And in order to achieve financial freedom, you must invest first in the financial knowledge. So I'm telling you, be part of the organization that also help people achieve financial freedom. Nakita ko po yun sa IMG. I hope it's now clear to you what IMG can give from this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like my FB page, visit my website, and email me if you have further questions. Remember, you have a millionaire mind, Pinoy. Gamitin po natin. Bye!